Welcome back to our deep dive into HaloITSM. My name is Kevin, and if you've been following the series, you've already seen how we handle immediate fires with incident management, and how we tackle root cause analysis with problem management. Now, in video number 3, we are shifting gears to tackle one of the most critical and risky aspects of IT service management. Uncontrolled changes are the #1 cause of IT outages. Whether it's a simple server patch or a major application upgrade, every modification introduces risk. Change management is the discipline that allows IT to evolve without self-destructing. Today, we'll explore the key benefits of using HaloITSM to bring structure, visibility, and control to your entire change process. In modern IPT environments, a mix of on-premise hardware, cloud services, and custom applications, manual change tracking is impossible. A change must be initiated, assessed for risk, approved by the right people, and tested. Without a system like HaloITSM, this process becomes a bottleneck, leading to either slow, ineffective changes or dangerous, unapproved ones. The first core benefit is process standardization. HaloITSM ensures every change request is classified and routed correctly according to ITIL best practices. It supports the 3 main change types: standard changes, pre-approved, low-risk, routine changes. These are automated and instant. Normal changes require full assessment, planning, and approval by the Change Advisory Board. Emergency changes, used only for immediate incident resolution, but require retrospective approval to maintain control. This classification ensures that low-risk tasks don't clog up the high-risk approval queues. Secondly, HaloITSM centralizes risk assessment and approval. When a normal change is submitted, the system automatically pulls data from the CMDB to show which services and assets or configuration items will be impacted. This provides the CAB with the information needed to make informed decisions. The platform includes built-in CAB scheduling, voting, and meeting records. The entire approval audit trail is recorded, ensuring full transparency and accountability for every deployment. A massive but often overlooked benefit is collision detection. One of the quickest ways to cause an outage is by applying 2 conflicting changes at the same time. HaloITSM maintains a master forward schedule of change. When a technician attempts to schedule a change, the system automatically checks the FSC and flags any potential clashes with other planned maintenance or previous changes on the same configuration item. This proactive scheduling ability dramatically reduces change-induced outages. After a change is implemented, the system prompts the change manager to review. Finally, HaloITSM enforces the crucial step of post-implementation review. Was the change successful? Did it achieve its goals? Did it cause any new incidents? If the answer to that last question is yes, the change request can be instantly escalated to a problem record for root cause analysis. This continuous loop of review and learning is what drives true service improvement. Change is inevitable, but chaos is optional. With HaloITSM, you stop fearing change and start managing it strategically. It's the framework that enables you to update your IT environment safely, reliably, and with full confidence. That wraps up part 3 of our series. If you missed the first 2 videos, check the playlist linked on the screen now. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss part 4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.